Cosmic catastrophe. What if Uranus collided with Earth? Fellow cosmic explorers, welcome back to our channel, where we dive headfirst into the wildest and most mind-boggling scenarios the universe has to offer. Today, we're embarking on a journey that will take us to the very edges of imagination. What if Uranus, our distant neighbor in the solar system, were to collide with Earth? Strap in, because this collision would be a cosmic catastrophe like no other. The cosmic dance. Imagine this: Uranus, the seventh planet from the Sun, and Earth, our beloved home, engaged in a cosmic dance of destruction. Uranus, 4 times the size of Earth, is a gas giant with a killer combination of elements: hydrogen, helium, and methane. Now, picture these titans locked in a deadly tango. The collision course. Our journey begins when Uranus, in its unpredictable orbit, suddenly veers off course and heads straight for Earth. A celestial disaster in the making. Collision impact. When Uranus and Earth finally collide, it's an explosion of unimaginable proportions. The force of this cosmic collision would be equivalent to trillions of nuclear bombs going off simultaneously. Atmospheric chaos. Uranus's methane-rich atmosphere would mix with Earth's, creating a toxic and explosive blend. The skies would erupt in fiery storms and terrifying lightning displays, making it a nightmare for anyone left to witness. Tidal turmoil. But it doesn't stop there. Uranus's gravity would unleash massive tidal waves, dwarfing anything seen on Earth. Coastal cities would be obliterated, and islands would disappear beneath the surging waters. The Earth's core. The collision would also impact the Earth's core, triggering seismic activity like never before. Earthquakes, volcanoes, and tsunamis would wreak havoc on our planet's surface. The end of life as we know it. As if all that isn't enough, the immense heat generated by the collision would turn our planet into a searing oven. Life as we know it would be all but wiped out. The aftermath. A new moon. In the aftermath of this epic cosmic collision, the remnants of Earth and Uranus might form a new celestial body. A bizarre hybrid, part terrestrial and part gas giant, could emerge from the chaos. Survivors in space. In this cosmic catastrophe, there might be a silver lining. Humanity's ingenuity and determination could lead to survivors taking refuge in space stations, lunar colonies, or even beyond our solar system. Lessons from the stars. This hypothetical scenario reminds us of the fragility of our existence and the importance of taking care of our precious planet. It's a wake-up call to cherish the Earth and work together to protect it. Conclusion. Back to the globe, and there you have it, folks, a glimpse into the cataclysmic collision between Uranus and Earth. A scenario both terrifying and awe-inspiring. Keep looking up at the stars, because the universe is full of wonders and mysteries waiting to be explored. Until next time, stay curious.
Hey there, get ready for an exclusive contest tailored just for you. We want to know what video topic excites you the most, so drop your brilliant ideas in the comments. The topic with the most votes gets turned into a captivating video by us. Plus, the lucky winner not only gets their idea brought to life but also receives a free assignment or essay of their choice. Don't wait, hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and join the fun. Stay tuned for the winner's announcement in our upcoming videos.